Hi guys, Nancy here again with you, and welcome to another episode of TBL in my kitchen. And today is the who knows what in self-isolation or social distancing, so it is rainy outside. Today we are going to be making sliders. The weather is a little rainy, but that doesn't mean that you can't still do something delicious inside. So let's get started. We're going to start with 2¼ pounds of ground beef. I got the 7327, and the only reason I did that is because I like the beef to have a little extra fat, because when you cook it, it gives it more flavor. We're going to start by making our patties. I like mine about 1/8 of a pound each per slider. Make ball. We all know how to make burgers, right? Depends on your bread. My bread is a little bigger than a slider. Let me show you this. I'm making sliders. This here says hamburger buns, okay? But we're from Texas, and these size buns are like sliders for us. So we're making sliders. Lucky about 1/8 of a pound per slider. So we squish it a bit. I think that size should be alright. Once we put on the griddle, it's going to shrink to a slider. You might say this is not a slider, but in Texas it is. Bill looking at me over there like, what is she doing with a hamburger? He's having some R&R, so I'm recording this myself. That's why my head is cut off, because I figured the important part is right here. I feel like we're about to play basketball, you know what I'm saying? Right. Well, maybe if I can do like this, y'all can like get me in the frame and I'll just be littler than I already am. Look like a midget. So, making sliders. I like mine big. Like I said, I don't like when you bite into a hamburger and the meat is like hidden in between the vegetables. That's not a hamburger to me. I mean, you're gonna put meat, you're gonna put meat. Don't be messing around. We got 3 left. If you get a plastic bag, cut around the edges. Makes it easier to make your patty without having to put the raw meat on your counter, which I really don't like. Speaking of raw meat, yes, another safety tip brought to you by the Thin Blue Lane. Meat has bacteria and different parasites, possibly. That's why they recommended that you cook it at a certain temperature. So, moral of the story is, do not cross-contaminate your meat with your other products. That's why I cut up the bag to keep the meat separate from the counter. Which either way, I disinfect my counter regardless, but just to make sure. I'm gonna see how this video turns out, because I am shooting this by myself with my phone and my mic.
Not my fault. I offered to film it.
Yeah, there's Bill. He offered to film it, but I told him I was having fun trying to work this whole thing out myself, so y'all can tell me. Here are your patties. Alright, we're going to season your meat. I like to season my meat, otherwise your hamburger is going to be bland, and who wants a bland slider? You know what I mean? Alright, here's what we're going to use. Ready? 1. Where it is? Sea salt. Dash of liquid smoke. Garlic powder. Can you see the garlic powder? I feel like a superhero. Garlic powder. Last but not least, onion powder. Powder to the onion. And some pepper. Salt. Sprinkle to taste. Here, let me crouch down here a little bit so you can see me in a frame. Get in the groove. That's my day to blend the maracas. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Can you all see me? Let me move this. Right there, is that good? Alright. Pepper. I love pepper. Now nowadays with the quarantine, be careful with the pepper because it might make you sneeze and depends on who you're with. They might look at you all funny. And go. Okay, that's done. Next, let's slice our vegetables. We're gonna slice vegetables. Since he coughed on that one, let's try it again. We're going to slice some vegetables. We're gonna slice some damn vegetables. That's what's gonna happen right here. Bill over there on the computer. You can't see him, but he's over there. He's doing videos. Are we gonna slice jalapeno? Are we gonna slice jalapeno? Of course we are. We love spicy. Just telling the viewers how you feel about onion.
I like it in moderation.
I would like to have a wireless mic. Look. That's so you guys can hear me. I want to make sure you get everything on this delicious recipe. Okay, time to unhook the mic. Hang it up here. The hardships of a YouTuber. We're back. We're going to put these on the stove. It's raining outside, but I still want to have something delicious. So I'm going to use a brand new pan that my mom gave me that I think will be perfect for this. If you have one of these, I recommend it because of the grill marks and has a place for your extra grease to go. Medium high. 3 to 5 minutes per side. They've been sitting there with the seasoning.
I thought sliders were small. That doesn't look like a slider.
No, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I was just telling the viewers that in Texas, this is hamburger buns. But in Texas, that's a slider. That's not a hamburger. We're making sliders for that size bread. One of these days, I'm going to make some real hamburgers, and then that's going to be that's the bomb right there.
You're not making real hamburgers?
Well, these are real hamburgers, but they're sliders. They're the smaller version. It's the baby version. I like it when it gets really hot.
Third a bit.
Pan has to be hot. You hear me? Has to be a hot pan. Don't be putting hamburgers on a lukewarm skillet and then warm it up. That's a crime. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, and so on. That's not hot enough. I like mine to be like 2, 3 Mississippis to put my meat in. And the meat is then sitting out for about 30 minutes before cooking it. I don't like to cook it cold right off the fridge. I make my patties, let them sit, season them, and away. See, now that's getting hot. 1 Mississippi, 2. There we go. Ready for the sizzle? I am. I'm excited. Alright, let's go. Put some oil, not that we need it, but just in case. Drizzle. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yummy. flip them once. Don't get much. Look at that. Look at that deliciousness right there. Some with yellow, some with Swiss, some with both. It's a beautiful day here at the Thin Blue Lane. A little rainy, about 75 degrees, 80% humidity.
It's actually about time we got some rain in Florida.
Okay guys, the sliders are done. Look at that. Eh? Wow, those do look delicious. Yeah. Alright, let's build it.
And onions, 2 kinds of cheese.
Let me get a close up right there. Let me get a close up. Oh yeah, look at that.
And let's try it. The messier the better.
So what do you think? It's a good burger? Good slider?
Fantastic.
Alright viewers, I have to go because I gotta try these for myself. See you on the next one.
Good jalapeno. Wow.